Lesson number 7. Explanation. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. Sportsmen from different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. There are games, athletic events, running, jumping, boxing, wrestling, and so on. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medals. To win the medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won the Olympic medals. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra, Satara district, Khashaba Jadhav. He was born in a poor family, but he loved sports. His father was a wrestler himself. He taught his youngest son khashaba wrestling. At 10, he was the youngest one to get into a khada. Khashaba also loved other sports like kabaddi, mulkhamb, running. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. He was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. He became famous at the national level in 1948. So it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. In spite of the adverse conditions, he won a 6th place out of 42. He studied the international rules and to wrestle on a mat. In 1952, Khashaba again went to Olympic Games. The principal of the college and people in village helped him to take part. Khashaba won a bronze medal after facing wrestlers from Japan and Russia. When he returned, he was honored by many people. The villagers celebrated by carrying their hero home to the sound of dhols. Then he played the bouts to help the others. Khashaba won honor for his country, even when he did not have much help or facilities.